Ready to binge watch your favorite anime without spending a dime? First, head over to the Crunchyroll website. You can find the link in the description below for easy access. Locate the sign up button, usually in the top right corner, and give it a click. You'll need to create a new Crunchyroll account by entering your email address, a secure password, and a unique username. Make sure to use a valid email address as you will need to verify it later. Once you've filled in all the information, hit the Create Account button. Now, look for the option to start your 14-day free trial. It's usually prominently displayed on the homepage or within the subscription plan section. Select the subscription plan you're interested in trying out and click the Start Free Trial button. You'll need to enter your payment information, such as your credit card details or PayPal account. Don't worry, you won't be charged until after the 14-day trial period ends. Carefully fill in all the required payment details and double-check for any errors. After submitting your payment information, you should receive a confirmation message welcoming you to Crunchyroll and confirming the start of your 14-day free trial. Now you can start watching your favorite anime. Enjoy!